going to be making another dish from my childhood that I grew up on. We are going to be making a Cajun shrimp stew. But before we dive into our shrimp stew, just wanted to take a moment to say a huge thank you to everyone for being part of Fat Boy Cooking. Your support means the world to me, whether you're trying out the recipe, leaving a comment, or just watching along. So with that being said, let's grab our ingredients and get our aprons and make some shrimp stew. For our shrimp stew, we're going to need the following: shrimp, oil, all-purpose flour, onion chopped, bell pepper chopped, either shrimp stock or water, salt, pepper, Cajun seasoning, and thyme. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So the first thing we need to do for our shrimp stew is to get us a roux. So I have got 1.5 cups of vegetable oil heating up over a medium-high heat, and we are going to add in the same amount of flour to it. And we're going to get this fully incorporated. And as I've said in previous videos in regard to a roux, once you start this, you do not want to walk away or stop or anything, because if you burn it, you are going to have to start all over again. So, and what we are looking for like a dark brown peanut color for our roux. And once we get to that point, then we're going to start adding in our vegetables. Alright, so we're about 5 minutes in, and as you can see, the roux is slowly starting to change. So I figure we probably got about another 5 to 8 minutes to go till we get that nice peanut butter brown we want. Alright, so we've now got that nice peanut butter brown we wanted. So to this, we are going to add in our onions and bell pepper. Turn this down just a little bit, and we're going to let this go for about 5 minutes till our vegetables start to soften up. Alright, so this has been going for about 5 minutes now, so we're going to slowly incorporate our water into our mixture, and we're going to add a few cups at a time till we get this fully incorporated. And then once that's all mixed up and ready to go, then we're going to bring it up to a boil. We're going to bring it up to a boil, and then we're going to cut it down to a simmer. Alright, so our mixture has come up to a boil. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn this down to a simmer and let this go for 30 minutes. So this has been simmering for 30 minutes, and I did add another cup of water to this because it was starting to get thick. So now I'm going to add my pepper, my thyme, my Cajun seasoning, and my salt to the mixture. And we're going to give this a quick stir, get everything incorporated, and then we're going to let this continue to simmer for another 10 minutes. Alright, so this has been going another 10 minutes. Give this a quick stir. And we're going to give this a quick taste. Make sure the seasonings are all there. A little bit more Cajun seasoning is what it needs. So I'm going to add in about an additional teaspoon. Give this a quick stir. And now we are going to add our shrimp. this a quick stir, make sure all our shrimp are not sticking together. And we're going to let this go for another 10 minutes. So this has been simmering an additional 10 minutes. Now we're going to give it a quick stir. All right, that looks good. Now we're going to give a quick taste test to make sure we've got all our seasonings right. Perfect. All right, so we've got us a bowl of some fresh rice, hot, and we're going to get us a couple of scoops of this. And there we go. All right, so our shrimp stew is done. So we're going to give this a full-on taste test. Delicious. Oh yeah, this is going to be good. I'm going to finish this off for sure. So I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Let me know how it turned out for you. Also, as always, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget, I am just all tongue-tied today. So don't forget to hit that like button and that subscription button, and also hit that notification bell for more cooking inspirations and upcoming videos. So until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen, and I'm going to finish off my shrimp stew.